The topic I have chosen for this morning's talk is, if the label shows your intent, wear it. It is rather an unusual topic. People may wonder that what has the label got to do with Islam or the Muslims? People are rather curious that what will be the content of this talk. It's rather an unusual topic. I start my talk by quoting a verse from the glorious Quran, from Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 54, which says, وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ. And when those come to thee who believe in our signs, tell peace be on you. It means that whenever a moment, whenever a Muslim comes to you, you should say, Assalamu alaikum. May peace be on you. It's compulsory that whenever a Muslim meets another Muslim, whenever a mu'min meets another mu'min, he should say, Assalamu alaikum. May peace be on you. It's compulsory. The other verse I quoted was from Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 86, which says, وَإِذَا حُيِّيتُمْ بِالتَّحِيَّةٍ فَحَيُّوا بِأَحْسَنَ مِنْهَا أَوْ رُدُّوهَا إِنَّ اللَّهَ كَانَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ حَسِيبًا. Which means that when a courteous greeting is offered to you, meet it with a greeting still more courteous, or at least the same. And Allah is careful in keeping accounts of all things. That means whenever any person greets you, you should greet him with a greeting which is more courteous, or at least of equal courtesy. It's compulsory. For example, if suppose someone wishes you Assalamu alaikum, you should wish back Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. If someone says Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, you should wish back Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. Or if someone says Assalamu alaikum, you can even reply Wa alaikum assalam. The words are the same, but it is coming from within the heart, from the depths of the heart, from the bottom of the heart. The words are the same, but it is still a more courteous greeting. Wa alaikum assalam. Or if someone says, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and if you cannot improve on that, at least say, Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Minimum of equal courtesy. But there are many Muslims who own companies, who have got various employees under them, and when the employees, when they wish them Assalamu alaikum, they either nod or they murmur Wa alaikum assalam. Some even don't care to reply. These Muslims, they are going against the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the glorious Quran. In Surah Nisa, chapter 4, verse 86, it says, you should wish back more courteously, or at least wish back with equal courtesy. He's greet back the person with equal courtesy. It's minimum.